Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my another new video. Today I'm talking about a Bang & Olufsen Ace95 headphone. Two lovely new ornament ready colorwise, chest round and navy for Bang & Olufsen's noise cancelling means the Danish audio brand's Ace95 headphone, a reference to their 95th anniversary last year. Sound is impressive as they look and are refreshingly easy to control. A hold of the right control the volume and hold the on one on the left draws out of cord. The state of an art ANC tech, they even last up to 38 hours with the function turned on and 15 without it. The Ace95 is a truly premium offering, luxurious, super comfortable. The AirPods are covered. The ear cups are covered in soft top grain lunkers, and above all the drive crisp of chair sound. Eco 95 headphone is price 700 real. This look very gorgeous and very fantastic. I hope you are choose this gadget, and thank you so much.